Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you. I'm going to sign in. I'll show you the what it looks like, so you can see. Really, here are my cats that are listed, um, and I have a couple of offspring. So I haven't actually looked at it in terms of parentage, but let's look at it together. So these two cats, the LAPD, Flying the W, and Go Cubs Go, are out of Willie, my boy, and 50 Shades. So let me just open one of them up. I click on the cat's face. And in terms of relationships, I think that's where we want to go. I honestly haven't used this before to verify anything, but let's look. So, oops. Okay, so the X is the cat I just opened up. Go Cubs Go. And then if I come over here, that's his full sister. And I'm trying to see what does the thing mean? Hang on, how to use this graph. Maybe that's what I need to look at. Your cat's position in the blue circle, how similar or different the genomes are within a breed, or how closely related the different breeds in the selected groups. They cluster together if they're related, distance from cats that differ in genetic makeup, but the clusters are not always clear. So this is not just Willie's relative, or excuse me, Rizzo's relatives. These are like all the Maine Coons that have been tested. Now, I thought somewhere here, so my other cats, oh, okay, so my other cats have the blue circle. So, for instance, this is his littermate sister. So, she's blue because she's my cat, but I'm trying to figure out how it shows that she's a full sibling. Let's see if it, maybe it doesn't really. Let's see. Let me go back to Rizzo. That's Rizzo. Hang on. Pull this up a little bit. Somehow I thought I saw on here that parents were listed, or I could click on something. Okay, so that was Willie. That's the dad. And then this should be the mom. Oh, no, that's grandma. That's Willie's mom. So grandmother, sire, offspring, offspring. And then who's back here? There's another Maine Coon that looks like is in the test. I don't know who that is. I don't know where. I still don't see. There she is. So this is mom here. Mom, dad. So dam, sire, offspring, offspring. This is interesting. I'm not really sure how it. I'm not really sure how this works. We just go through this. Yeah, so my cats are all pretty related, the ones that are at least right here. So this is Willie, and again, we were just looking at his two offspring. Wish I could get rid of some of these other cats. So those are my cats in blue. Or if I can get rid of the other cats. I'm sorry, I haven't tried this for what you were talking about. Let me just do that. So these are the cats in the US that are related. And so it's, okay, so here's the deal. It's three-dimensional. So I'm zooming in, zooming out. It's not flat two-dimensional where it's not left to right how they're related. This is the closest cat to me on the screen. And then this cat should be equally close to me on the screen because it's a full brother. Oops. And then this is grandma. I'm not sure why it's so high. I think that's kind of interesting. That's dad. I don't know who that cat is. Probably one of mine. I'm not really sure. It must be one of mine. And then that's a cousin. That's mom. So interesting. So these are the offspring here, brother, sister, grandma, dad, mother. So I don't know if there's any other way to, excuse me, that's genetic relationships. The diversity is, let's see if it shows my other cats within a breed. This might be it as well. So this is kind of interesting. The numbers in terms of genetic diversity for Maine Coons, it's around 35%. All pedigree cats, it's around 34. Random bred, it's around 39. So the higher, the better. Rizzo's here. That's his cousin Neon. I guess this isn't, whoops, was that's Sniper, his half-brother. His grandma, cousin. I don't know, I was thinking maybe this would, show us something, but let's see. I'll let you read this here. There's my cat, Blue Circle. So not a whole lot, I guess. I can, let me see if we do a breeder tool. I think the breeder tool might also be another way. So for instance, I don't know that Rizzo is publicly shared, so I might not be able to do it with him. He's not activated. Okay, let me go back to my cats. Let me find someone like here. The breeder tool is activated for this cat, for Willie. So there's 39 other cats in the database that he would be a good match with. So let me see if it lists. Interesting. I was wondering if it would show who would not be a good match, which would be, for instance, his own offspring. United States. I haven't used this before, clearly, because I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Well, that didn't work. I wonder why that didn't work. So these are other Maine Coons that people have released publicly. And if I was to breed Willie to this girl, what the diversity would be. So this might be a way that you could, I don't even know if it'll show, like his daughter is on here, Willie's daughter. I wonder if it would show, just Maine Coons, let's reset filters. I wonder if it would show the diversity in terms of, okay, so that's another one of our cats, but not his daughter. You know what? I don't know if I have his daughter. Hang on. I'm sorry. I should have done this better. I don't think his daughter is publicly listed. She's not. Okay, so let me activate her. This is his daughter. Let's see, I gotta remember how to do this. Edit, activate tool. Okay, now let me go back to Willie and see if I can narrow it down by at least by Maine Coon. Oh wait, maybe that is working now. Okay, US. Oh, that's weird. This doesn't seem to be working very well. This refinement here. Okay, let me show them all. Let's see. Nope, it's still not showing his daughter. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why it's not showing his daughter. I thought I selected all the cats. I guess there aren't that many. All right, so in other words, I didn't really get you an answer to your question. Let me reach out and see what I can find. I'm still trying to play around here and see if I can change anything. Let me see what I can find, because I'm pretty sure there's a way to find out if it's if they're related or not. I don't think anything else is going to tell me. Just thought I'd look one more time. Oops, I thought I activated the breeder tool. Well, maybe it takes a little while to activate. I'm not really sure. Okay, sorry, I didn't really have a good answer. At least I showed you around, and I'll ask Dr. Lytle and see what she says, because I know it's got to know it with all the results and everything it assesses.